What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'll be giving you guys another update on HBAR. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so if you look at HBAR on the 1 month chart, you guys can see it's just been getting hammered. It is in a complete downtrend. It went from about 11.5 cents to about 8.5 cents. And their market cap has dropped all the way down to 3 billion, which ranks 30th among all cryptocurrencies. So in general, if you guys are looking to accumulate HBAR on the dip, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. And if you scroll down to the Hedera news section, you guys can see that there's not a whole lot of bullish news on HBAR right now. And obviously, a lot of people aren't going to view this as a good thing, but I personally kind of do, because this means it's probably a good time to start accumulating HBAR. The only time you start seeing a bunch of bullish news is after price action starts to pump, and at that point, you already missed your gains. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at some HBAR news. So this is their X account. Now, I'm not going to read through the entire thread, but I want to quickly give you an update on what they posted June 14th. We wanted to provide more context regarding the removal of the community nodes from the Hedera roadmap. We remain committed to creating technology that enables community nodes and are actively working on the foundational elements necessary to ensure Hedera maintains its performance and stability after the change. And then I will read part 2. This roadmap change was made to ensure that it reflects near-term deliverables rather than indicating a complete removal of community nodes from our priorities. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, this happening on June 14th is very interesting, because the most recent video I made was on ICP, and ICP also had some issues going on June 14th, which honestly might be a reason their charts look nearly identical. And then the only other Hedera post I need to show you is what they posted on June 12th, and it's this little video from Consensus 2024.
So, starting with AI and blockchain, we've all seen the wonders that AI can do, right? And AI is revolutionizing many industries because of these capabilities to analyze large data sets, predict trends, and also automate very complex tasks. And we've also seen it be essential in multiple fields, like in medical diagnostics. We've also seen it used in optimizing supply chains. And one that we're all familiar with is detecting fraud in finance. Now, it doesn't stop there, right? AI is also used in many other applications and fields, and the growth potential is really significant.
And part of what is so fascinating about this is that a lot of people out there don't understand that Hedera is implementing AI. And I have seen so many different times that people think AI is by far the most bullish narrative in crypto. So I think once a lot of people start to realize that Hedera is implementing AI, it could absolutely explode. But obviously that also depends on when AI has its next leg up, because AI in particular has kind of been getting hammered recently. But now we'll take a look at some macro news that could possibly have an impact on the crypto market. So this is WatcherGuru's X account. And I first want to show you this post right here on June 14th. Donald Trump says he will end Joe Biden's war on crypto and ensure that the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in America.
Well, I will end Joe Biden's war on crypto, and we will ensure that the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in America. We're going to keep it right here, and a lot of it's going to be done right here in Florida. Right?
So personally, I love to see that politicians are starting to embrace crypto. And then June 14th, spot Ethereum ETF projected to launch by July 2nd. And this is actually very bullish and could potentially start to turn things around. Now, also understand there's a good chance it's buy the rumor, sell the news. But kind of like the Bitcoin ETFs, about a month later, Bitcoin started to fly. And I also think this could be bullish for projects like HBAR because they are layer 1 competitors. And then lastly, in case you guys didn't see, June 12th, US inflation falls to 3.3%, lower than expectations. And then the Federal Reserve pauses interest rate hikes and they remain at 5.25% to 5.5%. Now, the inflation is what is very important right now. Eventually, the Fed will have to lower rates, and when they do, that could be extremely bullish for the crypto market, because the easier it is to acquire money, the easier it is to invest. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and follow my account, at Crypto Now or Never. I'm almost at 1,000 followers, so I'd greatly appreciate it. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, you guys are going to get closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And most of the cryptos we trade in here are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. For example, I posted a project called Trump on May 28th, and about half a month later, we are closing in on a 100x. Just to put that in perspective, had you invested $1,000, you'd be closing in on $100,000. Those are absolutely life-changing gains. So if this is the kind of stuff that interests you, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I would love to have you guys in here. Now, for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis, and this is HBAR in the 4-hour time frame. Now, to be honest with you, I was talking about ICP earlier in the video, and I think HBAR is very similar right now. Both projects have broken beneath every single one of the moving averages, which is not a good thing to see at all. Because even if HBAR does start to break out, you need to be very careful of a possible bearish retest of one of these moving averages. They are all going to work as resistance levels now. But one reason we might actually get a bounce is because if you look at price action, we swing from a higher low to a lower low. The RSI is lower low to higher low. That is Class A bullish divergence, which typically signals that a local bottom has been reached. So again, I wouldn't be shocked if we get a bounce, but we also might get rejected off of these levels. So I think more importantly right now, we need to see what Bitcoin does. And right now, Bitcoin is in a similar situation. It's beneath every single one of the moving averages. Actually, right now it's trading on the 21-day. So if it breaks above the 21-day, that'll be a good start. But right now, the two most recent candles have tweezer tops, which is not a great look. Now, I will say I am recording this on Father's Day, and happy Father's Day to any of you guys watching this. But usually on a holiday, there's going to be a lot lower volume. So by the time you guys are watching this video, you'll probably have a much better idea of the direction that we're going to be heading in the near future. But I truly believe in order for HBAR to recover, we need to see Bitcoin get back above these moving averages. Mainly the 200-day, which is this golden line. It's kind of an unwritten rule in crypto, but when you are trading beneath this level, altcoins are going to be bearish. And we had finally broken back above it because previously we hadn't been above it since April 12th. So it is critical that we do again. But at the end of the day, just remember crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think HBAR will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.